Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use conditional formatting to highlight an entire row or multiple rows based on a cell value and condition provided in the formula. So, looking back at my data sheet here, what you can see is I've got an extra column at the end titled Review. Okay, so this column basically tells me for each salesperson whether a review has been completed or not. Okay, so you can see two options, complete and incomplete, right? So now what I want to do is I want a formula which will highlight all the rows where the review is set to incomplete so that I can easily identify those people and schedule their review dates. All right. So to do that, you would first select your data set. So my data starts from cell reference number A2. Okay, so that's A2. So you would highlight all of the cells in that data. Okay, so that's all of my data selected. And note here, I've not selected the headers. Okay, I've only selected the data. You would then go up to the Home tab. You would then go to Conditional Formatting. So I'm just going to click on the drop-down arrow on the right of Conditional Formatting and then go down to New Rule. Okay, so I'm selecting New Rule here because I'm going to enter a formula for this conditional formatting. Okay, and then in this dialog box, you want to select the last option, which is use a formula to determine which cells to format. So you would select that option, and then you would enter the formula at the bottom here in this box here. Okay, so the formula for my specific condition would be equal. Okay, and then you would put the cell reference number in, which in my case would be F2. All right, so you'd put F2. So the reason why I've selected F2 is because the condition that I want to apply, okay, which is of course if the cell has incomplete in the review column, then it needs to be highlighted. So that condition is in column F, and that condition or the data of that condition starts from F2. Okay, so you would select F2, or you would rather type F2. Just one little thing to note here is you need to put a $sign at the start of the column. Okay, so in this case, it's column F. So you put a $sign in on the left of the column letter. Okay, and what that $sign means is basically you're fixing that column. So you're telling the formula to only look in this column and nowhere else, okay, for that condition. So you would type equal $F2, then you'd put another equal sign, and then you're specifying the condition. So the condition is it has to be incomplete. That's what it needs to say for the cells to be highlighted. So when you put text has a condition, you would put that in quotation marks. So you'd put a quotation mark and then you would put in the text, which is incomplete, and then close with another quotation mark. Okay, so that's your formula done. So you're basically saying if F2, okay, or any other cells in the F column equals incomplete, then format the entire row, and then you need to specify the formatting rule. So if you click on format there, you can choose a color to format the row. So I'm going to go for, let's go for a yellow color, okay, and click OK. Okay, so you can choose any color. I've chosen yellow. So if that condition is met, if it's true, then the whole row will be highlighted in yellow. So what you then do is you click OK, and there you go. So you can see that all the rows where the review is set to incomplete have been highlighted in yellow for me. Okay, so that's how you can use conditional formatting to highlight multiple rows based on a cell value, okay, and a condition. Okay. All right, so I hope that's helped, and that's it for this video. Please do subscribe to the channel and like and share the video if it helped you out, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.